AstraZeneca, we've been talking about most of the morning, pausing its COVID-19 vaccine trial, the phase 3, big one, to investigate a unexplained illness, and that is putting pressure on the shares of the drug maker. But they've come back from the lows now. They've been slowly headed lower as this pre-market session moves along. And Meg Terrell joins us now with more. We had a long conversation with Dr. Gottlieb, and I don't know if you saw it, Meg. We covered a lot of the different concerns and possibilities, and I hadn't considered the possibility that the spike protein itself could result in some of the sickness that you get from coronavirus that causes the COVID, and that's worrisome.
Yeah, Joe, there are a lot more questions than answers about this event this morning. It was reported late last night that AstraZeneca had paused all of its studies as it investigates this one event in the UK. That was reported by Stat News. In a statement, AstraZeneca telling us that as part of these ongoing global trials, our standard review process was triggered and we voluntarily paused vaccination to allow review of safety data by an independent committee. Now, here's what we do know. This is what they call a routine action after a, quote, single potentially unexplained illness. It may be unrelated to the vaccine, and they are expediting the review to minimize the impact on the trial timeline. Now, there was some speculation this could affect trials of other vaccines. We've reached out to Pfizer and Moderna, as well as Johnson & Johnson. Pfizer and Moderna, of course, started their phase 3 trials in the U.S. in late July. AstraZeneca had just begun that trial in late August. None of those other companies right now see any impact on their timelines. I also reached out to Operation Warp Speed, of course, the Trump administration's effort to speed vaccines to market. Moncef Slaoui, the chief advisor, telling me, quote, this pause while the adverse event is fully investigated means the science-based, data-driven process is working as it should. He noted they've got a portfolio of candidates and platforms, and he believes they're still on track to deliver a safe and effective vaccine by the end of the year. But Joe, you're right. There's so many questions about what this event is, whether it was caused by the vaccine, and what impact it'll have on this trial and potentially other trials. Right now, those are all question marks, and we're just going to have to wait for more information.